Welcome back, YouTube. Leopazzoinyourmouth. Here we goes, another bathroom backsplash. Just again, one of those that you just wanted to have some fun with. Try something new. No big deal. It's not the kitchen, the main focal point of the house. It's a bathroom. Each bathroom can be different. Have some fun. Here we have some marble mosaic, which is in the middle. That's what's all in the middle, is a marble. It's a mosaic. Comes on sheets. And then we got, as a border, we got a glass and stone. Glass and stone, it's another mosaic. Cut them in strips. 2-row strips. Did a border on the bottom, border in the middle, and one along the top. And actually we closed off the edges as well. Take a look on this side, closed off the edges. Down here we went vertically. So here, let's have a better, closer look. Wrapped it underneath the countertop. Again, kept it in mind that if you ever want to change this to granite, no big deal, pop it off. Add another couple of rows to this and you're good to go. You can still find leftover of this, no problem.